Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Karishma, plastic surgeon at Dr. Karishma Aesthetics in Bangalore. As we can see that we have entered into the second phase of the COVID lockdown. We thought when this problem is just about over, there are new problems arising and all of you are scared out here. As of now in Bangalore, we are in a 15-day lockdown and we all need to take care of ourselves. We at Dr. Karishma Aesthetics are going to be open during this lockdown phase. However, this video is mainly to let you know that there are a lot of precautions that we will have to take in case you are opting to do any form of elective procedures like plastic surgery, skin or hair treatments. Now during this phase, we need to be careful about ourselves. So make sure, please wear your mask before you move out. Try as much to stay at home. Please use your sanitizers as often as possible and do not forget your hand washing routine. And that is the most crucial important element to avoid this virus. Make sure if you have any symptoms, please isolate yourself from your own family or your friends and please self-isolate in a room. Please take immediate attention, get yourself tested. Do not feel scared of the COVID test. You need to know if you turn positive, you will be saving a lot of lives around you. Well, at Dr. Karishma Aesthetics, we are making sure that we will take care of you no matter what, even during this very difficult phase. So just to start, during your consultations, in case you feel you do not want to come to the clinic, we are available for online consultations. You can call our clinic numbers, look onto our website and take direct online appointments. In case you do wish to come to the clinic, well, make sure when you come to the clinic, wear your mask before you come out. At the entrance, our security will be checking your temperature with the IR thermometer. They will be doing a sanitizer spray on you and we will make sure that you're wearing your mask and your gloves before you enter the clinic. At present, we are making sure that we take very few patients at a time to make sure there is no patient overlap. So when you're sitting in the reception area, make sure you have your gloves and masks on. We will try to avoid as much of overcrowding in the reception area. In between patient timings will be kept such that there is no patient walking across with another patient. While you are at the clinic, our staff is making sure that they have sanitized and sterilized each and every room. After every skin, even hair or plastic surgical procedure is done, we make sure that we fog the entire room, sterilize as well as sanitize, and we are doing extra sterilization and deep sanitization protocols. Now, if you want to undergo a plastic surgery process, we make sure that instead of coming to the clinic, you can do an online consult with me. Make sure that if you feel you want to undergo this procedure and it is the lockdown phase and you may recover, yes, you can do the procedure, but few things you need to keep in mind. Make sure 3 weeks before the procedure and 3 weeks after the procedure, you have to strictly self-isolate yourself. Do not mingle around with unwanted people, social distance yourself, because this is the phase we do not want you getting in contact with any other COVID patient. If you do contract the COVID virus during this phase, during your procedure, at a time when your immunity is a little low, then you may have serious symptoms. So we are sending this tip across to you that please, if you're planning a surgical procedure, self-isolate yourself. We can see you directly on the day of procedures. We do a bunch of blood tests as well as your COVID test. A COVID test is compulsory before you do a plastic surgery procedure. Although at this time we are focusing on COVID patients and the number of elective surgeries are very less, but even if you do want to undergo elective procedure, we are open and we are making sure that we have strict sanitization measures in place for you. But we also need your cooperation and your help. Make sure you isolate yourself at least 3 to 4 weeks after the procedure. With any surgical procedure and general anesthesia, there is a slight phase where your immunity is low. So at this time, we make sure our patients are taking immunity boosters, antioxidants, zinc, multivitamins and probably iron tablets. We make sure we tell them that please stay at home, do not meet unwanted people and do not go out of your house till your wound heals and everything is fine. When it comes to non-surgical procedures like skin, fillers, Botox or even hair treatments like PRP, we make sure that the patients are coming one at a time. We do not overlap patients, and most importantly, our staff is making sure that they wear their masks, their face shield and making sure the entire room is sanitized for your skin procedures. So wrapping it up all, Obviously, at this phase, I would like to encourage everyone to stay safe, stay at home as much as possible, wear your mask, hand wash, and keep your hopes up. Be positive. I'm sure we'll get through it again. We went through it last year. This time we are more prepared. We need to be self-conscious and conscious about the people around us. So let's care for each other. I know elective procedures right now are not much of importance, but this is a personal message from me to you. Please be safe out there. If you want to know more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. Karishma Aesthetic, and make sure you hit that bell icon in order to get all the latest updates and videos.